Hello friends, today we will be talking about a geological wonder and one of the most famous waterfalls in the world, the Niagara Falls. The Niagara Falls are located on the border between the province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. Did you know that the Niagara Falls are actually a collection of waterfalls, not just a single waterfall? It consists of three waterfalls: American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls on the America side, and the Canadian Falls, also called Horseshoe Falls, on the Canada side. All three falls originate from Niagara River, which receives water from four of the Great Lakes: Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Lake Erie. In fact, 20% of Earth's fresh water is found in these four Great Lakes. About 28 million liters of water travel down the Niagara Falls every second. The three falls combined form the highest flow rate of any waterfall in the world. It is thought to be the world's fastest moving waterfall. The Horseshoe Fall is the tallest waterfall at 188 feet tall and 170 feet deep. It is believed that the word Niagara is originated from Iroquois Indian word Onguera, meaning the strait. Niagara Falls were formed starting more than 12,000 years ago, at the end of the Ice Age, when large torrents of water were released from the melting ice, draining into the Niagara River. The water plunged over the edge of the Niagara Escarpment to what is now known as Western New York. Eventually, the force of water wore away the rock layers and Niagara Falls moved upstream, reaching its present location. The current rate of erosion is approximately 1 feet per year, down from a historical average of 3 feet per year. According to the timeline of far future, in roughly 50,000 years, Niagara Falls will have eroded the remaining 32 kilometers to Lake Erie and ceased to exist. While the falls are known for their beauty, they are also quite famous for their production of hydroelectric power. In fact, the city of Niagara was the birthplace of hydroelectric power. In 1896, Nikola Tesla developed the alternating current system, which allowed the transmission of power generated along the Niagara River to homes and businesses. From the Niagara Geological Discovery Center, electricity was first sold as a commodity. Today, the falls produce approximately 4.4 million kilowatt of electricity through power plants in Canada and America, which is more than 1/4 of all power used in New York State and Ontario. Anywhere between 50 to 75% of water flowing along the Niagara River is diverted from going over the falls to hydroelectric power generating stations. Under an international treaty, the flow of water over Niagara Falls is reduced during the night to allow more of the water to flow into intakes used for power generation. This plan ensures that the fall's natural beauty remains unaffected during prime viewing hours. Previously, the Cave of the Winds was a natural cave behind Bridal Veil Falls. The cave was destroyed due to massive rockfall in 1954. Today, the Cave of the Winds is the name of tourist attraction near the same site. A series of redwood deck and platform allow sightseers to walk right up to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls, with water crashing down right on them and flowing beneath the decking. Cave of the Winds is torn down and rebuilt every year. Niagara Falls are also known as the honeymoon capital of the world. Newlyweds have been visiting Niagara Falls for more than 200 years. It is a famous wedding destination too. Thousands of people get married at Niagara Falls every year. Approximately 10 million tourists visit the Niagara Falls every year. And that's all about Niagara Falls. Did I miss any interesting fact about the falls? Feel free to share in the comments.